Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the time zone on a PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and move to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, scroll down and select Date and Time. Now select Time Zone. You can now change the time zone for your PS4. Select the time zone you want from the list. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.